look so cute.
Push, pull, push, pull. There it is. Yeah. There you go. There you go.
I know, we're gonna go out there in just a minute.
Strong. Strong man. Alright, you wanna let Dean do it? Let's take it, Dean. Right, Dean, you're up. Switch.
Row. Just wait for mommy.
There you go, buddy. Use electric pump for hip show. There you go, buddy. Push, full. Push, pull.
Ready to help mommy with the netting? Rosie, ready to help mommy? Yeah? Okay. I know. Look at you. Yeah, hold on. Hold on. I know. Hold on. My little kitty. You okay?
But Dad doesn't have a funnel with them, so we're gonna see how much of a mess I can make. Oh, there it is.
Whoa!
One of you boys want to grab me that rag? Go give me the towel. Lance,
I'm gonna get the
somebody
towel.
give me the damn towel.
I have to get the towel.
Someone grab the towel, I don't care who does it. The gross towel on the floor right there, Lance. And, oh shit, I put it up there. Yep. Hand it to me, Lance, right here. Right through the engine, right. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. You can grab the next one, dude. There's plenty of oil changes in our future.
Oh, I hope you're right, because Lance is gonna start running and helping all the time.
I'll let you do it next time.
There'll be plenty of things to help with, Dean.
See what I mean, Lance? See that black stuff that came out? See how nice and gold it is? You can see that? That's when you know that oil's going rough. Okay, where are you going?
It's right up in there.
Hey!
Alright, Dean, you stay here. Dean, go get me the other jug of oil. See? Only to do one of both. Everyone.
Oh, what a great view.
We want it to run out because one's still at the engine. I'm really glad you guys are coaching me on this. I don't want to get this wrong. Hey, Dean, stop, dude. You're freaking shaking me.
Rose, let go of that. Rose, stop.
No, those are fire extinguishers.
And I don't want her to fall in either.
Get off of me. Now you're actually on top of me. Very big. Go fire it up. You won't hear nothing. Oh God, are we on camera?
Yeah.
Did I say that?
Yeah.
Get my water. It's gonna piss all over too, so don't get too close. I can see that it's not super suction on there. They make a mess. Oh, I'm excited. Get the first fire. So yeah, I guess we'll run up after the water goes and we stay in the back and then we'll see how. Oh, I don't know what that does. See how she sounds. You have the same problem I do with pork. Hopefully she runs. Make sure this stays on there when you hit the. Yeah, that's what I was waiting for, is to just shoot it off.
Oh, yep.
Alright! Yeah, as long as guys, I do want you to go up front though with the moving parts and shit on the motor. Go sit up in the living room.
Oh, go sit in your bedroom.
Go, honey. Honey, I'm gonna get in.
Especially if Grandpa and Dad start flailing out of control trying to get off the
Good,
boat.
turn an engine on so we don't want parts flinging at us. Well, you don't have to go that big, just stick out.
Primer a few times and see if he makes sense we're gonna have. You ready, Mom? You want to videotape the motor on the inside here? You can go to that side, better lighting.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna go in that small unit.
You can go hide up in the aft bedroom if you want to.
Papa, you want your cookie? Did you eat all your sandwich?
So right here, these are primers because these old diesels start so hard.
Well, I only bought you one, so.
So you pump, this is a filter primer. And then I got one over here on the injection pump.
Your sister in there?
No, she watched herself.
Okay, let's not say
I'm
so.
black.
That's really cool. Too bad the pendulum.
Sissy,
Oh, we have it.
Tony.
Alright, let's see what happens.
You're fine. He does it too. Like, maybe I shouldn't sit this close.
You'll be okay. Don't worry. Right? It's just gonna fire.
No, roll.
You got a glow plug? But you got a heater button?
We're gonna come in here while they're starting the engine, okay? Eat our cookie. We're gonna stay out of the way, alright? So they can start that engine. Is that yummy?
Try turning the key backward. The key go backward?
You guys eat
Okay.
Yeah. Just on off.
Okay. There you go. You'll go.
Might have dry
lines still. Yep.
Yeah,
Try that plunger. Okay. That might be how it shuts off. It's just put right next to the start button, so yeah. I don't think it's a backup on this. I think that's the. You don't want to move? Come on, get out of the way, guys. We gotta let Dad back in. So yeah, cleaning the water out of those tanks. All right, definitely a big one.
So there is still water probably in them?
I would assume all the water I saw, there's probably water in those. And it's starting that hard. It's either that or I'll probably pull the injectors and get them clean just to do it. I'm not sure, but this is your shutdown box. That's a little rough, but that's probably going to get better as you use it. I wonder if that's, well, they haven't changed the filters or anything in it yet, so maybe once I get good filters and know on it.
You like the motor, Rosie?
What do you think, hon? Diesel runs.
No,
He runs. He's a runner. You want to go in the, you want to go live in here? You want this to be your bedroom? No? Okay. Put your brothers in there. That's a good place for them. Ugh. Sweet. We have, well, we're next. Contact. Love it. Get batteries. I knew it, Ron. I wasn't even worried about it. I knew it was going to fire. I was pretty sure. I was like a 90-10, honestly.
Your sheer panic was that was.
It was fake. I did that to be funny.
All right.
No, I was worried. I was like, look, it should. Everything on paper, it should run, but my luck. The Larson luck factor. I was super confident until actually putting fuel to it. So now that I'm on, I can say, yeah. Watch out, sweetie. I gotta go up there too.